Hey, have you been looking for an easy to use funnel builder alternative to the previous NowSite or high level? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Chianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you the funnel builder tool that I use, that I create everything off of, including my capture pages, my membership sites, my products that I have for online that people go and they buy and things like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you could do that. And what you're looking at right now is you're looking at a hero page that you can design easily, drag and drop, and put your own graphics and everything in here. This is a custom page, and we teach people how to create their own hero pages so that way they're branded on social media and everything like that. So you can find this page below. So if you want to know exactly how I've been able to get these results, make sure you click on the link below this video and come to this page, put your information in, and the link is directly below this video, right? So you can create pages like this very, very easily. And I'm going to show you over here in the funnel builder tool. So this is a funnel builder tool, and it's very, very easy to use. You can go and you could edit everything. It's all in blocks. You could easily go and edit things like that. And then you could go and you could, it has a contact manager right here. So you could go to your contacts. You could see everybody who's opted in. You can book appointments. You can have a store. So if you have your own products, you could have your own store, and you could sell your own products from the funnel builder tool as well. So this has the appointment booker, so you don't need anything like Calendly or anything like that. You can use this builder to do all that stuff, and it's very, very easy to manage people's funnels and things like that. So here's the different pages that you have inside of your funnel. So if you're designing a funnel, you could easily come down here, you could add a page, and then add a page right here, and then you can see different pages right here. And when you sign up, you get access to the template club, which actually gives you pro templates designed by a professional funnel builder master, right? He's very good at designing funnel builder tools. He designs everything that I have, and you get access to these templates. And if you were in something like high level or ClickFunnels, for example, you would be paying hundreds to thousands of dollars to get access to pages like this, right? So you get all this for free when you get the funnel builder tool. So I'm going to show you how you could get access to this funnel builder tool, and this has all your things like your webinar pages and things like that in here. So you could design everything off of here. So if you want something like this, we have support every single day, and we show you how to actually build pages like this on Fridays. So I'm going to take you through right here. So here's the Funnel Builders Academy, and here's what you get access to. And this is only $25 per month. So, if you want access to this, make sure you click on the link below this video and opt into the first page that I showed you, and you'll be able to find out more information. So pretty much in here, we show you how to do different things, how to get started, and then we show you how to set up your funnels, how to buy a domain and integrate it, how to get your email for your business and have a professional domain, how to integrate your autoresponder with your funnel builder, how to do the DMARC, SPF, and DKIM records, so that way you get the best deliverability possible. We show you how to do different things in the training, like how to create your own pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create multiple funnels, how to create hero pages, which is what I was saying, how to do different things, how to share your funnels, how to do exit pop, so if somebody tries to leave your funnel, you can keep them in your funnel. How to get a discount on Zoom, so if you're using a lot of Zoom, you can get a discount by working with us. How to sell your own products, how to do upsells and downsells, how to do membership sites. So we show you how to do all this stuff, and you could do this all with the funnel builder tool, and you have the appointment booker as well for only $25 per month. And we actually pay you $20 per month in residual income. So if you want access to this funnel builder tool, make sure you click on the link below this video, and you can get access to it by opting into this page over here, and it's going to take you to that page, right? And you also get 2 weeks free of coaching. We go over the shoulder daily hands-on live by Zoom. So just check the box when you go to buy the funnel builder tool. So that way you get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching. And in this coaching, you're going to actually get access to a bunch of different valuable things that you could do in your business. So how to invite people in 3 simple steps, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to nurture your relationship and follow up with people the right way, how to do short form lead generation by video, how to do YouTube ranking, how to get more people to your YouTube videos, how to do Facebook promotion on Facebook, how to do podcasting, how to do LinkedIn, how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to blog for your business, and then how to do a launch, right? So if you're launching your own products, we show you how to do that. So each one of these courses can be about $500 if you get them individually, but if you get them in here, it's all included with the premium traffic and conversions products. So we have the daily hands-on coaching where you could watch what we do over the shoulder every single day live by Zoom, Monday through Friday. You could ask your questions, and we actually give you live hands-on coaching every single day. Right here is low-cost lead generation, solo ad training, text message marketing, YouTube automation, right? People want to learn that. Facebook ads, Facebook video ads. We show you different things with conversions. We show you how to do a 13-point conversion formula, which you actually need to make more sales, how to close your leads online, how to onboard your team members the right way when they sign up with you, if you're in network marketing or if you're in affiliate marketing, how to write emails that serve and sell, how to do email promotions. So if you're doing a launch, how to write these emails right here. So this is what this is. And then here's your daily live hands-on coaching. So every single day we have the traffic and conversions mastermind. People can come on there, they can ask your questions, and they can watch what we do over the shoulder every single day. If they have questions, we answer them, right? And they watch every single day as we do things like write emails that serve and sell. We show you how to connect with people on social media, how to actually talk to people the right way, how to create videos, how to rank your videos in the search engines, what to actually put in your YouTube videos to get them to rank, how to get traffic from YouTube, how to use different things like TikTok. We show you these things live so you know how to do video marketing the right way, how to write emails, and how to connect with people on social media. So you're going to want to attend this. This is very, very powerful. Then on Fridays, we show you how to build out professional pages by an expert with a funnel builder. So you don't get this type of training anywhere, right? So a lot of times you'll pay something like $5,000 or $8,000 to be able to learn how to build out pages like this. You're actually learning from a funnel builder expert on Fridays. So that's the key of being able to have real nice pages, because you could get pages that people make for you from anywhere, but you're depending on them and they're not original, right? So if you want original pages, I would sign up using this funnel builder tool and be able to plug into the traffic and conversions masterminds. Then Monday nights we have what's working now, so you get to see what other people are doing. And there are people in our community, so if they're making a sale or more, you get to hear what they're doing to get results. So you could come on the call, you could watch what other people are doing, and then you can go and adopt those strategies for your own business, or you can choose not to, right? You might find something that works that other people are using that you want to use yourself. You could feel free to go and implement that into your own business. And there's also seasoned marketers that have been marketing for a while that actually come on here as well. So it's whoever's getting results that we want to speak for the Monday night, and you get access to that as well. And then we have a whole schedule of our coaching under live coaching. So if you click on this live coaching right here, it has a whole schedule of what we actually do. We do an overview on Saturdays that shows people exactly how to get started. Then the last Saturday of every month, we invite new people, so they don't have to be signed up to actually learn about what we have here, right? So these tools and this coaching can help anybody in any kind of business online. So I'd highly suggest using this, and we pay you 80% commissions at everything. So the funnel builder tool is $25 per month. You get a $20 per month in residual income. Then the coaching is every single day, Monday through Friday. that's 2 weeks free, and then it's $125, and you earn a $100 per month in residual income. So just with both those tools alone, you're making $120 per month per signup from the $150. So with only 2 signups, you're $90 in profit. If you're trying to make more than $90, let's say you're trying to make a residual income of $3,000 per month, it would only be 25 signups with just those 2 tools, right? So you can use this to be able to build your own business, whether you're in network marketing and you're building a team and you're giving them a system, or you're in affiliate marketing and you're selling your own products, or you're a digital marketer that is a coach. You can sell your own stuff, you can sell your own products, you can create your own platforms and create a membership site to where you have access and control over your own membership and your own products, right? This is going to be the key for you to be able to create whatever you want and get support along the way. So make sure you click on the link below this video to actually check this out. There's going to be a presentation on this page over here that I showed you first of all, and if you click on the link below this video as well, you also can get into my traffic store. If you want to get some traffic, I have solo ad traffic that's very, very high quality, and I help people to get as high as 85% opt-in rate when they're doing paid traffic. I suggest don't just do paid traffic when you're doing marketing, do a mix of both. So you want to do free methods and also paid traffic. You don't have to do the paid traffic. Your free methods are going to be your most high quality leads that you possibly get, but you could also incorporate other strategies as well to get results, right? So there's going to be a link to my traffic store below this video. There's also going to be a link to my Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. You can click on there, you can get into there for free, and you can connect with me on Facebook. Make sure you write me a message. I'd be happy to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video, so you can always stay connected to me. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave your comments under this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.